Hey guys, welcome back. So we are now going to look at how to run your code with the Mistral's new model. So Mistral has recently released, it's a French company, you might have heard it in the news. They recently got about 2 billion valuation, and it's an AI company similar to what ChatGPT or Google Gemini is. So Mistral recently released a code focused AI model which performs impressively across major coding benchmarks. So a game changer for majority of the programmers to enhance their workflow and productivity. So first what we have to do is you have to go to Mistral's lay chat platform, which is this auth.mistral.ai. The link would be available to you in description. So all you have to do if you do want to create an account is just sign in with Google. This should work fine. So I'm just signing with my google.com. Okay. So I was able to sign in. There are other alternative modes. If you want to sign with something else, you can choose whichever is appropriate for you. And once this one is done, let's wait for a couple of minutes. So we do see the Lee chat platform here. Okay, and you have to accept some terms and conditions, which I'm doing it here, and I also have to accept the cookie. So here you can select the model. So we will now select the Codestral model here. You can also try the other stuff, but we are only looking at in terms of code. So we'll only look into that. So input the coding prompts here and let's generate it. So let's actually go that here. We are now going to look at some prompts here. So let's try to do that. We know Codestral supports 80 plus languages and its benchmark looks pretty impressive. Even the context window is impressive. So let's try this in Python. So yeah, it gave us a function here which looks pretty decent, and this looks like the Python variant one. And similarly, let me ask something else. So let's ask it to write I need PyTest for unit test case generation for the same. So it gave the PyTest to do it, which is also impressive. You can do couple of other stuff. And similarly, let me also ask it to do something. So let me ask it to translate the following Python code to JavaScript. So we might have encountered many instances where we have looked at some code in C++. We want to translate it to some other language. You can do that too. This was also impressive. And similarly, this has some limitations. I'm not saying Codestral is perfect. So benchmarking performance, although Codestral performs well with certain benchmarks, real performance can vary on the complexity of the task. So we don't know how good it is. So limited context window, it's a 32K token context window for long range code completion. So certain use cases might require a even larger context. And similarly, potential bias. As with many AI language trained on code, may inherit biases present in the training data. This could lead to generation of code which inadvertently perpetuates undesirable patterns or practices. It's an evolving technology, which means it is relatively a new model, and its capabilities and limitations are likely to evolve as and when you can do it. And similarly, let me ask it, write a Sudoku game in C++. So you will get the code. So what I'm trying to tell is you can use it to do variety of stuff to try it out. But eventually, let's actually also do this to complete some stuff and check test cases. In the first part. Next, we are going to look at how to use the API and integrate it into various other aspects of Mistral. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you for joining.